Here's why I'm telling you all of these things. Because I believe an elaborate game is being played for the freedom of the world. And for me, all of it leads to September and Jerusalem. Israel and America, we are one and the same to the enemy. The day is coming, America, where each of us will be forced to choose. Where do you stand? I suggest that you and your neighbors do your homework and choose with your eyes wide open. Because things are going to look very different soon. Because a game is being played and the freedom of the world is at stake. Back in a minute.